Check out this 2009 Acura TL. This is a one-owner vehicle in great condition. Our dealership inspections show the mileage represented on this vehicle to be accurate. This vehicle appears to be clean of any known CTS. The vehicle's transmission is smooth with no pings or worrisome noises. There are no problems with the engine. Electrical systems are in perfect working order. Very responsive and a joy to drive with great styling and the high-tech gadgets for a low cost of ownership. Carfax guarantees this to be a one-owner car. Carfax for this vehicle shows to be free of issues. Please call for more information. The special internet price is $26,993. Contact David Walker at 918-388-0654 or Ron Lasky at 918-388-0618.